Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Kia Forte key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, which helps prevent misplacing any tiny components. This simple task is quite easy and should only take you about 5 minutes from start to finish. Next, let's remove the mechanical key. Look for a small, often silver, release button located on the side or sometimes the back of your key fob. Press and hold this button down firmly. While holding it, gently pull the mechanical key straight out from the top of the fob. This step provides access to the seam where you will open the casing. Now it's time to carefully separate the key fob's casing. Locate the small notch, usually found near where the mechanical key was inserted. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle, steady twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the fob apart. Remember to use light pressure to avoid scratching or damaging the plastic housing. Finally, let's replace the battery and reassemble the fob. Carefully remove the old coin cell battery, paying attention to which side is facing up. Insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Align the two halves of the key fob precisely and press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.